Describe a sports program you enjoy watching. One sports program that I absolutely love watching is the FIFA World Cup. It is the pinnacle of international football, soccer competitions held every 4 years, bringing together national teams from all around the world. I usually watch the FIFA World Cup matches on television, and sometimes I gather with friends and family to watch the games together. The excitement of the tournament is contagious, and sharing the experience with loved ones makes it even more enjoyable. The FIFA World Cup holds a special place in my heart because it showcases the highest level of football talent and competition. Watching the best players from different countries battle it out on the pitch is both inspiring and entertaining. The skill, speed, and strategy displayed by the teams leave me in awe and captivated throughout the matches. Moreover, the tournament creates a sense of unity and celebration among fans globally. It is a time when people from diverse backgrounds come together to support their favorite teams and celebrate the spirit of the game. The World Cup unites people across borders and cultures, fostering a sense of camaraderie and sportsmanship. I also enjoy the unpredictability of the FIFA World Cup. Upsets and surprises are common, as smaller teams sometimes triumph over more prominent footballing nations. This element of surprise adds to the excitement and drama of the tournament, making it an emotional roller coaster for fans.
One. Which sport do you think most people like to do? And why? It depends on individual preferences and interests. However, sports like football, soccer, basketball, and swimming tend to be popular among many due to their widespread availability, social appeal, and the opportunity for physical fitness and teamwork. 2. Do children need exercise? Absolutely. Children need exercise for their overall growth and development. Regular physical activity is crucial for their physical health, as it helps in building strong bones and muscles, improving cardiovascular fitness, and maintaining a healthy weight. Exercise also plays a vital role in promoting mental well-being, enhancing cognitive function, and reducing stress and anxiety. 3. What are the benefits of exercise? It helps in maintaining a healthy weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes, and improving overall cardiovascular health. Exercise also boosts mood and mental well-being, leading to reduced stress and anxiety levels. 4. What can be done to get children into sport? Getting children into sports can be achieved through various approaches. Schools can play a significant role by incorporating sports into their curriculum and offering a diverse range of sports activities to cater to different interests. Parents can also encourage their children to engage in sports by being supportive, attending their games, and fostering a positive attitude towards physical activity. 5. What sports programs do people like to watch in your country? In my country, people enjoy watching a variety of sports programs. Football, soccer, is incredibly popular, with passionate fans following local and international leagues and tournaments. Major sporting events, such as the Olympics and regional championships, also attract considerable attention. 6. What's the difference between watching sports on TV and watching it live? Watching sports on TV provides a convenient and comfortable viewing experience. Viewers can access multiple camera angles, instant replays, and expert commentary, enhancing their understanding and enjoyment of the game. On the other hand, watching sports live offers a unique atmosphere of excitement and energy. Being present at the venue allows fans to feel the adrenaline of the moment, cheer for their favorite teams, and engage in the collective enthusiasm of the crowd, creating an unforgettable experience.